going on, guys? My name is Brandon and welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video right now, you are not living under a rock, which means that you know about the coronavirus that is going around causing fear, turmoil to many different countries and many different people, and it's caused the stock market to plummet in the past week tremendously. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about what my strategy is throughout this crazy time and why I'm staying invested and still putting money in the market despite the big drops. For those of you guys that have been investing for the past few weeks, months, or the past year, you have seen a lot of money leave your portfolio in the past 5 days this week. For those of you guys that haven't started investing, it is actually a great time to invest right now. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But if you look at my portfolio here at the side, it is currently sitting at $4,020.66. I'm going to show you guys my portfolio a little bit more in a bit, but before I get started, I greatly appreciate it if you guys drop a like and subscribe down below. It greatly supports me and shows that you guys are appreciating the content that I'm providing. And also, if you want to get started investing, which I highly recommend you do, you can sign up with the 2 free links in the description, one for Robinhood where you'll get a free stock, and M1 Finance where you'll get $10 to your account. Highly recommend you start investing right now because this is a beautiful time to be investing. So back to my portfolio now. $4,020.66. On the day, I am down $71. On the week, I am down $437. Oh my gosh. On the month, I'm down $367. On the 3-month chart, $292. 1 year chart, $31. I am up, thankfully. And on the all-time chart, I am now down $95. Now, if you watched my previous video on Robinhood, you would have seen that my portfolio was at $4,200. I put in up to about $4,500. If you look right here, 538, something like that. My portfolio was at a nice all-time high that it's been in the past year, but over the past few days, I basically lost $500. Now, you might be saying to yourself, this is why I don't invest in the stock market. It doesn't make any sense. You lose money. That's all that happens. Why am I going to listen to this little kid? He doesn't know what he's doing. Chill, I get it. If you're one of the people that's losing money, you're in the same situation as me, and if you're not actually invested, again, let me explain. The stock market goes up and down, and the coronavirus is causing problems right now in the market because people are scared, people are freaking out, people are wondering what's going to happen. Companies aren't being able to sell products because of the fact that we're not able to have trade between different countries. China, a lot of our companies in China are shutting down because of different things going on right now over there. What I think you guys need to remember is that the coronavirus is temporary. We've seen many things like this in the past, Ebola, SARS, many different things that have taken over and caused problems in the stock market in the past. Of course, yes, we should remain vigilant. Yes, we should be paying attention to the news, but it's causing people to wreak havoc to their investment portfolios and lose a lot of money. The coronavirus is temporary. Stocks, companies that are reputable and good and are making money are forever. Big companies like Starbucks, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, do you really think they're going to be going out of business anytime soon? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure we all know those companies and how they're prospering, so don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Even though my portfolio is jumping up and down dependent upon what's going on in the market, I do not technically lose money until I sell out of these positions that I'm holding. Until I truly sell, that is when I lock in my gains of what money I made or the losses of what I've lost. So if I just sit here and if I were to sell right now, after all this work I put in for a year and a half, 2 years, I would have lost $95. It basically would have been a waste of time, hence why I'm not selling. We've had many different corrections in the past where the stock market has went all the way down in value in 2008 during the recession and other times in December of 2018. This happens due to economic corrections, fear, recessions, different things like that. And it's nothing to be worried about because, again, at the end of the day, pretty sure we know that these companies are going to be around a lot longer than we think they are right now, or some people think they're going to be. Now, if I scroll down my portfolio, you'll see that a lot of the things that I'm investing in are basically in the negatives now. Some of them I'm still positive, Johnson & Johnson, all these companies right here, but big one, SPHD, I'm down $62, Pfizer down $17, all these companies I'm still up, but look, everything is in the red. That's just showing that it's going down. But let me tell you something. This is a great thing. This basically means that every stock in your portfolio, or majority of the stocks that you're watching in your portfolio, are on discounts. Look at it like this. If you're looking at a new computer, a pair of shoes, shirt, any kind of clothing or anything that you wanted to buy, would you want to buy it at the highest price or at a discounted price? Pretty common sense there. You would want to buy it at the discounted price, and that is exactly what's going on right now. Everything is on sale, everything is at a discount, and it's the best time to be buying. If I look at these companies right here, SPHD, it dropped from $43 to $37. In the past 5 years, the company's grown all the way from 32 and it's going up in value. So I think it's pretty safe to say that it's going to continue to go up, and this is just a huge discount. Another one we got here, Coca-Cola. Went from $60 all the way down to $53. Another big one, going up in the past few years. You can trust that it's gonna continue to go up, and it's just a huge discount. When you buy a stock that's on discount, for example, your average cost is gonna go down. That means that basically you're slowly, it's called dollar cost averaging. You're lowering the price that you had to pay for it in the past and your average share. So next time I buy a share that's at $37, my average cost of $41.36 is gonna go down to $41.30, $41.20, $41, $40, and it's gonna keep going down, and the goal is to lower that price. So it's an amazing time to be investing. And here's the great part. If you're a dividend investor like me, you're still getting paid dividends throughout this crazy time going on. I've got all these dividend payments. I'm scrolling right here. Look, $2.37, 19 cents, 48 cents, $2, $3.54, and even upcoming in March, I have companies, big companies you guys know about, Intel, Wells Fargo, Ford, Target, Johnson & Johnson, paying me in the process of all this craziness going on. And that is why dividend investing is so important. Buying companies that pay you dividends, so no matter what, if I'm looking at, example, Johnson & Johnson, which has gone down about $11 in the past month, I'm not too worried, because at the end of the day, Johnson & Johnson is going to continue to pay me a dividend even in the midst of all this craziness. And again, just like all the other ones, it'll continue to go up over time. If you have trouble kind of bearing with the fact that your portfolio may shift in value while you're investing, take a breath, calm down, and just realize that you're not investing for the short term. If you're trying to invest to retire tomorrow, okay, that's another thing. But I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys watching are not planning to retire tomorrow, trying to retire in many years from now. So again, think about the long term, not the short term. The short term is going to tell you, sell these companies, get out of the stock market, stop investing. The long term is going to say, take a breath, calm down, keep investing. A few years from now, when this coronavirus is all out of the place and everybody that sold their portfolios out and they realize that they lost money, or people that didn't invest are going to look back and say, I wish I wouldn't have sold my whole portfolio out. Or man, I wish I would have started investing like he told me to. I'm not a financial advisor, but the charts do speak for themselves. Invest in good companies. Don't freak out. Don't pull all your money out. If as long as you can just calm down, get your bearing, everything's going to be all right. All right, that is about it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, again, I greatly appreciate if you dropped a like and subscribe down below. Sign up in the description if you want to start investing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Even though our portfolios are going to keep fluctuating, my portfolio may continue to drop even lower, I'm going to be transparent and show you guys what's going on so you guys can be enticed to start investing. And yeah, have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.